My name is Sweet.
Hi, my name is Mark.
Hi, my name is Colin. Hi, my name is Chloe.
And together, we are the Team Camera!
Yay!
Hello, Madam People! Hello guys, so today we are going to do the unboxing for our baby number 3. Here we go. So today we bought some more baby stuff. Aww. Ah, you're excited. Ah. So today we bought some more baby stuff, and my husband is starting already to do the unboxing and assemble things. So this one is a 3-in-1 system. So we have the base. We have the base for the car seat to connect. So my husband will explain better. We started already to open the box.
So this one here, that's a stand that goes down for the bottom, and then these ones here. Press this button here, and there we go. There's your Isofix points. Go on stick. So you fix the base in, and then the car seat is easy lifted in, lifted out.
Yeah.
Without having to get.
So this base is connected to this car seat that we have for the baby. My husband started already to assemble.
Yeah. So we'll fold that back. There we go.
So that's the base that will keep the baby safe in the car. So it's like 3-in-1 system, guys. We have, this is for the newborn car seat,
Yeah.
and this is for when they are like
18 months.
18 months.
Not all fits into the same thing.
Yeah. And then the rest is still in the box.
Okay, so what we do is get this out. I think that's one part of the pushchair. Let's have a look. Move this one out of the way to give us more room. Oh,
Yes,
wheels.
Clara.
Oh, another wheel.
Another wheels. This is, we are doing the pushchair.
Oh, another wheel.
And behind these heads is a chicken so we can eat.
Oh.
And he sliced the chicken and put it in here, and I was like, delicious. I want some more.
So what we got
That's
here?
how we eat.
This is the actual toggle bit for the
Pushchair.
pushchair. Stand that down. Oh.
So they are in the same color with that one. They are matching.
Everything's all
Matching.
matching. Something. Right, okay. Oh, so here we go. Oh, here we go.
Yay! We get the pushchair.
Right, so now some light assembly are required. So what we do is we put the front wheels on. So the wheels just clip on. Like so. So the wheels just clip on.
So this one just clip up.
Yep, clip on there. Like so. And clip in. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
That
Then
one
what we do
wheel.
is turn them upside down. Okay, and this piece here, this bar here, this is for the back. So then put this one in here.
Yay!
Okay, and then we put the wheel on the big, and that's it. Done.
Yeah. 2 wheels, yeah.
That's
That's the brake, yeah.
Okay, so there we go. That's all assembled.
Two clips together. Here.
Ah,
There you go.
okay, and then these are extendable.
Oh, the handle.
Yeah, that's your
Yeah.
extendable handle. There we go. Okay, and then each one of these just sits in there and takes off. So it's all nice and easy. All you do then, if you want the main pushchair seat, you just wind them up and put them in.
Yeah. Do you think after we have 2 children you memorize everything?
No.
But now, yeah, it's different brand, different,
Anybody know how this works?
yeah, different way how to do it. Because the last time when we have Colin and Chloe, we use different brands, but I get rid all of it and give it away to to our friends because we thought we're not gonna have another baby. Now we back to square one. Rockabye baby.
It's what they always say to their babies.
Is it? So are you gonna sing to the baby, Chloe? Rockabye baby. Ah. Close your eyes.
There we go.
There you go, you manage. Okay. So
Cover
there
all
you
of
go.
that. Okay, so then that's just kept in like that. Not going anywhere.
Yay! So it's all ready. And this is for train.
Yeah, that's it. And then this one. There
There you go. Yeah.
And then the big cubby hole down here. I've put it. That's to put everything in. Your baby
Yeah.
bag, your bottles,
Yeah. All our stuff.
yeah. Rain covers.
So
So you've got a rain cover.
which is we get a lot in this country.
Yeah, so you've got
We get a lot of rain.
them on the back.
Oh, so that's the cover for the pushchair. Yeah.
So the cover we do that is then squeeze these 2 handles and then come straight off. Just these ones there. There we go.
Yay.
And it's easy enough. You want the car seat in, you can have it facing you or away from you. It's the same principle, it just clips in like that.
Click.
Click.
Click,
Done.
click, click. So the baby is facing towards you when
Yeah.
you are pushing. Just like this. And the baby
Then-
is.
This one. And do like that.
Yeah, and look at this. Very nice and soft. Here we go, baby. This is your pushchair.
And then what you do later on, you undo that.
Yeah, and then
Push those 2 there. And you go, hang on, I'll have him facing the other way now.
yeah. Colin, what do you think of our new pushchair for the baby?
But the wrong way, Dad.
The wrong way, Dad.
There you go, that's the one. Should we test it out, see if it works?
What, do you want to ride on it?
No.
You had
No,
your
I wanna
time.
push it. See if it works.
Pull these ones out.
Ah.
Oh, that means.
Big baby one on. It's the same principle. Just like it.
Should click. So,
Okay, so this one here is so that you can have the baby led down. This one only goes in one way, so the baby's facing you all the time. Like that. And got its own. There we go. Again, got its own. So it's versatile. And if you want the angles extended, then push it to go in, and go down like that. Then all you have to do is, if it's raining, you get home, or walk, you don't have to take the baby out. All you do is just use the little handles and clip, and then carry the baby.
okay, carry the baby.
It's all snugly in there, fast asleep, snoring. It's all in there. Look. Okay. And then what
Yay!
we do then is, if you want the pushchairs to collapse, it's very simple. Just lift these two up, like so, and then fold. And then the gravity goes away.
Yeah, make it flat.
And then,
So it's doesn't take so much space in the car.
and then what you do then is, you can stand it up against the wall, or and if you want it really flat, what you can do is just take the wheels off flat. So you don't have to worry about it. There we go.
Yay!
New
Chloe,
baby's done.
what do you think of our new pushchair for the baby?
It's really great and very cute.
Really
Yeah.
cute. Ah, you like the color?
Guess what? I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna share my unicorn.
Ah, that's your unicorn. Take
And
care.
then what we'll do, we'll just put these in here for safety. Okay?
So we are all set.
Ours is so big, isn't it?
Yeah. Aww.
All set. Okay, so we're all set for the baby now. Waiting for the baby to come.
Yay,
Apart-
baby.
All we got to do, and we got to think of a name.
Yeah, that's the next thing. We don't know the name yet. So if you have any suggestion, because our eldest one is Colin, which is started with C. And the
we-
second one is Chloe.
which starts with a C.
So we
our
are thinking of
third one, it's got to be begins with C as well.
so maybe you have any suggestion.
Clarissa, Christine.
We can't decide
We can't decide.
yet, but we have a few more weeks.
A few more weeks to go,
To go.
and then we'll decide.
Yeah.
But it's got to be with C. Everybody's going to be CC.
So if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up and comments down below, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Bye.